In this video we want to show you how to use a mouthwash from Listerine. Here we got a new Listerine pack with Ultraclean technology. It gives you an extra protection for your teeth and gums. It is the #1 selling mouthwash in Germany, and pretty sure in other countries around the globe too. Okay, let's open it. It has a secure lock for children. You have to press and twist the lid at the same time. You can either drink directly out of the bottle or use a glass. The manufacturer recommends to take 20 milliliters. These are about 4 teaspoons. Put the mouthwash in your mouth, but do not drink or swallow it. Try to reach every angle in your mouth for about 30 seconds. After that you can spit the mouthwash out into your sink. Do not rinse your mouth. For best results, you should only spit the mouthwash out and leave it this way without rinsing. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.